Welcome back. This is the second video of articles. In the previous video, we studied about the indefinite article a and an. Today, we will study the definite article the. At the end, there will be a quiz to test your understanding. So, are you all ready for it? Let's recapitulate. There are three articles, a, an, and the. They are bifurcated into two categories, definite and indefinite. A and an are indefinite, whereas the is a definite article. Articles a, an, and the are used before the nouns or an adjective. The rules of indefinite articles a and an. A is used before the nouns starting with the consonant sound. An is used before the noun starting with a vowel sound. A and an is used before countable nouns which are singular in number. A and an are used to talk about non-specific things, means the things when we talk about them in general. Next rule, a and an are used before nouns when we are referring them for the first time. A and an are used to talk about someone's profession. They are also used to refer to a member of a class of things. A and an also means one. Articles a and an are used before the adjectives, but when an adjective begins with a consonant sound, we put a before it. And if the adjective begins with a vowel sound, we use an before it. Let's begin with the definite article the. Rule 1. The definite article the is used before a noun that has already been mentioned and is referred to again. Example, there is a man at the door. The man is waiting for you. So in the first sentence, there is a man, we refer to the man for the first time and we are giving a reference to the listener. The man is waiting for you. So in this sentence, we talk about the same man whose reference was given in the previous sentence. Next example, I see a chair there. Please bring me the chair. So similarly, we have introduced the chair in the first sentence and we are talking about the same chair in the second sentence. Rule 2. The is used when both speaker and the listener know which noun is being talked about. Example, the television is switched on. Here it means we are talking about the television which the speaker and the listener knows and about what we are talking. The second example, the window of the bedroom is broken. So similarly, the speaker and the listener are aware about which bedroom is being talked about. Rule 3. The is used before singular as well as plural nouns. Example, the book that you gave me was interesting. So here, the book means we are talking about one book and the books are on the table. The books refer to as plural nouns. Rule 4. The is used with the nouns that are specific. Example, the sun rises in the east. Can you see the rainbow in the sky? So the examples the sun, the east, the rainbow, the sky. So they refer to only one thing and the specific things. Next rule, the is used with the superlative forms. So we have already studied degrees of comparison. So the is always used before the superlative degree. In my opinion, family is the most important thing in life. Goa is the smallest state in India. So the most, the smallest, they refer to the superlative degree. The is used to make a definite specific reference to a particular noun. Example, the building is in the stadium. So when we talk about which building, so the tall building. The teacher who taught me maths won an award. So which teacher? So we are specifying the teacher who taught me maths. So the is used before a definite, specific or a particular noun. We generally do not use the definite article with a proper noun, such as name of a person or a place. However, the definite article is used with certain type of proper nouns. So here we have a list where you will understand where the is used and with which proper nouns. So the is used with certain proper nouns. Holy books, they are used with the holy books, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran. It is used with the words associated with nature, the earth, the sun, the sky, the stars, the universe. The is used with the rivers, the Ganges, the Krishna, the Thames. It is also used with seas and oceans, the Arabian Sea, the Pacific Ocean. The is used with mountain chains. So here we mean to say mountain chains, a group of mountains, not a single mountain. Mountain chains, the Himalayas, the Andes, the Nilgiris. It is also used with monuments, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Eiffel Tower. The is used with some important positions, the President, the Prime Minister. The is used with some musical instruments, the violin, the guitar, the flute. It is also used with the names of the directions, the east, the north, the south, the west. The is used with the names of the countries having plural names, the Philippines, the West Indies. So the is not used with the names of the countries, but only if the names of the countries are in plural, then we use the. Omission of articles. So this is something extra which you do not have it in your grammar textbook. So omission means where you delete the articles, where you do not use articles before all these nouns. So the first one, do not use any article before the names of countries, person, months, days of the week. Example, India, Japan, England, Gandhiji, Ria, Sunday, Friday, January and May. Do not use any article before the names of languages. Hindi is a difficult language. So before Hindi, we never use an article because we never use article before languages. We are studying English. Next, do not use any article before the names of games. So maybe whether it is an indoor game or an outdoor game, we never use an article before the names of games. I play tennis. Chess is played by an intelligent person. Next, do not use article with the uncountable nouns unless there is a specific reference. So you already know that do not use any article with the uncountable nouns. We have studied it in the previous video. So examples, he needs some sugar in his tea. Gold is very costly. So sugar and gold are uncountable nouns. Do not use any article with the names of festivals. So we celebrate Holi in the month of March. Let's check. On the screen, you have few examples. Read the sentences and insert article the wherever required. Pause the video and solve the exercise, and later check your answers. So here are your answers. I hope you all have understood the topic articles. Thank you.